What's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode. Probably the most important episode yet. So I know what you're thinking. Why is Kevin wearing a hoodie? Why is Kevin wearing sunglasses? Well, it got you to click the video, didn't it? Come on, y'all. I'm a businessman. This is business. Business is catching your attention. So now that I have it, I want to talk about something really big that just happened, y'all. Meek Mill has announced he's going to sell his next album as an NFT. And I know what you're thinking. What's an NFT? What does Kevin know about Meek Mill? Well, for one, my basketball team used to listen to Meek Mill before every championship game, y'all. So that's what I know about Meek Mill. But, guys, these NFTs, people are making serious money. I want you to think of the movie Straight Outta Compton, right? Think of that movie. Remember the white guy that was screwing over NWA? Remember him? He's the record label. You hear all these stories of these artists who sold away their masters. Y'all, because these record labels have really evil, smart business people that run them. They take advantage of talented artists, right? Y'all, business is a skill. Business comes from experience. They take advantage of people without business experience but have talent. They make them sign things they don't understand. So these NFTs, let me read you exactly what Meek Mill said. Meek Mill expressed his grievances with his current label deal last month in a since deleted tweet. I haven't got paid from music and I don't know how much money labels make off of me. I need lawyers ASAP. He tweeted, choosing to drop his mixtape as an NFT could be a new way for Meek to cash in off his artistry like Jay-Z, The Weeknd. So guys, y'all see these NFTs blowing up, right? You see Jay-Z just changed his Twitter picture to a CryptoPunk. You don't need record labels. If you're blowing up on SoundCloud, y'all, if you're blowing up on SoundCloud, make that song an NFT. If you're gonna be big, if you know you're gonna be big and all your partners know you're gonna be huge, you could sell them for $1. Sell that NFT to all your friends for $1, right? If you blow up next year, it's worth $2, worth $3. It keeps leveling up. Record labels take like 20% or something. You don't have to give them anything. In New Orleans, with all the talent New Orleans have, whether it's rappers or artists, and you have in your hands right now, in your cell phone, you can literally download these apps and make NFTs. It's wild. It's wild. So y'all, on this channel, we find the best NFT drops. We try to find a free one so you can make that free bag, right? We try to find the free ones, but when we see ones like this is the ones we really like to talk about because I'll pay money for this, right? How much? Think about this. Imagine this. If you could own the song Dreams and Nightmares, Meek Mill, Dreams and Nightmares, if you could own that song and you could verifiably prove that you are the only person that owns that song, every person on Instagram knows that you own Dreams and Nightmare by Meek Mill. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. Come on, y'all. Come on. You can own a song and we can verifiably prove it, right? You can own an image. Y'all, Snoop Dogg has already paid like $17 million in these NFTs. CryptoPunks you could have got for like $200 last year, y'all. Are you an artist? And you want people to buy your artwork? Put it on the blockchain. You could sell it to anybody around the world, y'all. It's borderless payments. It's perfect money. On this channel, we talk a lot about crypto education. And I understand, y'all, if you made it this far in the video, you're like, dude, Kevin, this shit's too complicated. It's really not, y'all. You know why? Because you're smart. You got to remove that limiting self-belief you really do have in your head. And guys, it's hard for me to wrap my head around some of this stuff sometimes, but you just push through it. You push through it. You know, I used to work in like insurance adjusting, and it was a real stressful job, and I was not qualified to do the job, right? And I had a real good manager, a guy, Mr. Barry, and I remember he when I'd get overwhelmed, he would tell me, Kevin, just, you know, what's the fastest way to eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So guys, relax, you're early. If you made it this far in the video, you're in like less than 1% of the world that is learning about this stuff right now, right? So it's okay. So don't get stressed out like you're overwhelmed. Just relax, right? I'm gonna prescribe you, not medical advice. I'm gonna prescribe you 5 minutes of classic Kev a day. You know, just 5 minutes a day, right? And you know what? At the end of the month, you'll know more than like 80% of people. But for real, y'all, these NFT drops, Meek Mill, they're gonna keep coming. We're gonna keep giving them to you. We want y'all all to make a bag, bro, because you're all smart. And look, I was a C fucking student. Look, anybody watching this, if you went to high school with me, put it in the comments. You would not copy off of me in college. I was a C student. You would not copy off of me. You're not dumb. You're smart. I'm serious. And you can learn this stuff. And we actually need people in this community because these drops, I'm getting information from like people in Kenner, from people from in Uptown, people that moved to Florida but are from New Orleans and found me because of Drew Brees or whatever. So y'all, the information's out there, y'all. These NFTs, imagine when Larry Morrow picks up the next big NFT, right? Imagine when Sidney Torres figures this out, right? What you think's gonna happen? You could be the one to bring them the information. I need people like that in my circle. Trust me, man. I'm in business. Anybody in business, you want smart people in your circle, right? Shocker, right? Shocker. You want people that are specialized in certain fields. And right now, if you have an iPhone in your hand, instead of listening to rap battles all day, man, 5 minutes. Just go 5 minutes of some crypto, some NFTs. And you can make some serious money. Guys, I got people that watch this channel are showing me 6-figure portfolios. I'm dead ass serious. This is not financial advice. I would never tell you to invest anything you couldn't lose because I cannot legally give financial advice. But what I can tell you is when I look at my own life, you know, how many times I went to the casino, real shit, lost $1,000 in a night, right? Yeah, I've had some good nights at the casino. I bet. Sports. Man, that Rams game, right? That NFC Championship game, the Nola no call. Yeah, your boy lost some money on that. Well, I'm into a different kind of betting now because I'm tired of playing a rigged game. But for real, y'all, if you made it this far in the video, you're smart. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. I want you a part of this community because we're going to do some big things. We're going to change the world, y'all. Anyway, I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.